Hey guys, so I'm going to be unboxing some Booty-O's Elite from WrestleMania 32. Some Booty-O's, so let's just get into it. And sorry that you cannot see it though. Okay, for the moment of truth. Booty-O's. Oh, here's the background. Now, here comes the Booty-O's. Oh my god. We got Big A, Exit, and Kofi Kingston, and Xavier Woods. So good. Just so good. And now, the mood. Okay, step here. I'm gonna go. Ah! Oh, hey Ma! Oh, it's hard. This out and Biggie. Yeah. No. New release. Comes with unicorn horn. Unicorn horn. Now we're going for Kofi Kingston. I can outsmart this. Oh, got Kofi Kingston. Xavier Woods is trombone. Here comes Xavier. Pop this out. Ladies. Xavier Woods. And here's the box. I don't care. And this will make a unicorn mask. So just pop this out. If you got siblings who are young, do not get them close to these. They'll swallow. They could swallow it and then they could die. Good background. Let me get out. I get it? Yeah, do that. Oh, it's stuck on. Oh, ripped. Ah! Rip it up. Let's keep this. Ah. Yes. Yeah. So it's been 6 minutes and we are going to end the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Peace out.